Today might be the last day I will hold these three phones together like this, because I told you that since I got the iPhone, it's been over a month of using the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So I have to let this soldier, this great servant, the iPhone 16 Pro, I've got to let it go. I've got to sell it. And then there are other devices to buy that is coming up. I'm also interested in selling this one. So if you're a subscriber follower and you want to get an iPhone 16 Pro or Red Magic 10 Pro, you might want to drop a DM because this one is going. I initially put it out for around $1,100. This is the 512 internal storage, but I'm giving it out for about $900. So that's what I'm going to do for a subscriber. And I'm going to also do a great discount if you're interested in the Red Magic 10 Pro. I use this for reviews. You know, I have a lot of phones, and there are other phones behind me that I also use. So I use it to make content for you, to keep making more content for you. So if you're interested, I'm keeping this one for now. I have to sell this to get newer phone. There are a whole lot of phones to get. So please, if you're interested in Red Magic, let me know, DM me, and then let me, give out this to you at a very good discount price. That is if you're a subscriber and a follower of Smart Depot Tech. Thank you for the support throughout the years, and I'll be here making more and more content for you. And make sure you like, share, follow, subscribe. Until I see you in the next video, it is peace to our world.